The graph characteristic we're going to discuss now is end behavior. And what you're doing is you're looking at the graph and looking at what is y doing as x approaches infinity and as x approaches negative infinity. So you're looking at your arrows on the graph. So on this first arrow, remember how we label. This is infinity, this is infinity, this is negative infinity, and negative infinity. All right, then what we do is we label each arrow with its x and y coordinate. So this arrow falls between this x and this y, so it's infinity, infinity. And this arrow falls between this x and this y, which is negative infinity and negative infinity. So we look at the left-hand behavior. And the way it's written is as x approaches negative infinity, f of x, meaning y, approaches what? And all you really have to do, once you label your x and your y, is just look. As x approaches negative infinity, what does y approach? Well, negative infinity. As x approaches infinity on the right side of the graph, what does y approach? Infinity. So if you can label your arrows, this is a no-brainer. This is easy if you can label your arrows. So if we come over to this graph, and remember, x goes forever that way, so this is infinity. Y goes forever that way, so that's positive. Both those are positive. Going forever this way is negative, and going forever down is negative. And so when we label this arrow with its x and its y, its x is infinity, its y is negative infinity. We come over and label this arrow, it's negative and negative. Okay, so if we look at the left-hand side, as x approaches negative infinity, what is y? Well, it's negative infinity. As x approaches infinity, what is y? Negative infinity. It's simple if you can label. Again, same thing. This is infinity, infinity. This is negative infinity, negative infinity. And you just look at the arrows. As x approaches negative infinity, what is y? Negative infinity. Another way they may say it is as x decreases, what is y doing? Well, it's decreasing too. So if it's negative, the word decrease is used. If it's positive, the word increase is used. So as x approaches infinity, what does y approach? Infinity. Or as x increases, what's happening with y? Well, it's increasing too. You just look at the arrows. And if you can label them, this is easy peasy and should not be hard. So this is infinity, infinity, negative infinity, infinity, and again, you just pop it in. Negative infinity, infinity, positive infinity, infinity. It's that easy. Thank you.